Hello, I'm in a 2016 VW Tiguan, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from here, we'll go to the side here. This lever is the safety release for your hood. If you could hear that pop sound, that was the safety releasing. If there's no tension at all in this, you want to check behind this plastic, make sure the cables are all tight and attached properly. Go up to the front. And here, we're just going to pinch and lift. That's what that looks like. Make sure there's no debris stuck in there, maybe some WD-40 to loosen it. Hooks onto there. Make sure nothing's bent out of place. Make sure your hood's straight, otherwise that could cause issues. But that's it. Hope it's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.